Well, hey guys.
Hey.
Here we are again. Got my dad Manfred here. I'm Steve. This is Abandoned Car Revivals. You guys seem to really like the video on this 1982 Firebird. And yeah, a 250,000 views on that, so thank you. I've been working on it a little bit here off camera. I've been a little lazy and not making videos, and you know, now it's winter. But long story short, I took the fuel pump out, took the fuel tank out, cleaned it because it was all full of crud, and put it back in. And the car runs great with an electric fuel pump, but it will not pull fuel and stay running with the mechanical one. So I got a new one of those. We're gonna throw that in right now. That's gonna be this video. We gotta dig it out a little bit. I'm gonna fire up the old Massey Ferguson tractor here while Dad clears the snow off. And then hopefully we'll be able to drive her on into the shop, get her on the lift, and we'll swap out that pump and maybe do some burnouts before the video's done.
In the snow.
Snow burnouts?
In the snow.
Donuts?
Donuts in the snow.
Okay. Oh, we need the stick. It's inside the car. Haven't bought new push shocks yet. Oh. There we go. Is there air in that back tire? It's got air in it?
She needs some wind.
Okay. It's got a leak.
I think you'll stay on the bead. Just drive away.
Okay. So, I mean that little jerry can. It's weird now. When I was doing this to drive it out here after I put the fuel tank back in, I'd fill this right to the brim through the screen, and it wouldn't hardly take any, and then it would just die. Like, it only seems to run off the stuff you pour in the carb.
That's weird.
I don't know. So,
have you had this one apart?
Oh yeah, fully rebuilt.
Oh. With one eye closed or what?
We'll see how it starts and we can get close to the garage before we got to do that again.
Oh. Oh! You're gonna put some wind in that tire. Now the battery's dead.
I figured.
Yeah, now the battery's dead. Yeah, bring out your little buddy.
Use the tractor to get it in the shop. It's not gonna run long enough. Nah. Okay, we're gonna use the tractor because I don't feel like doing that forever and messing around out here in the snow with the electric pump. So. little darker in here. I don't know how this part of the video is going to turn out, but there's our new pump. Pretty straightforward, 2 bolts, feed, return, and some other kind of small line. Don't know what that's for.
Fancy, fancy.
But we'll, yeah, we're going to do this from underneath because I think there's more room.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh,
There's the problem.
that gizmo.
Can you even see it? I don't know.
Yep.
On camera, I mean. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, why did, oh.
Some hoses and some screws.
Yeah, that looks like probably 1/2 inch threaded on the bottom. I think we'll start with the out. See? Oh, I think you just put the ratchet in it.
Yeah.
There's one
Here.
Okay. There we go. See what that looks like. See that sucker on there? Uh-huh.
What the deal is here.
Oh, I got it. All right, it's loose.
She busted loose.
Yep.
Get all greasy with your hand.
This is our fuel in. I'm not actually sure what that other little hose, I think it's a return, and I don't have it hooked up, but I don't think that would stop the pump from working.
No. Sure.
Nothing.
No.
Okay, the other one's just dangling there. So now I got 2 bolts holding it on. There's one there I can see, which also looks like a 13.
Way up above.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and then maybe a little extension and a ratchet.
And I know. Look at that. Gee. Looks the same.
Dirty.
Look at that beast.
Yuck.
Oh.
Probably supposed to like.
Oof. That's, oh. That thing's dry as a bone.
And you can't open it and look, do anything.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
phase 1.
So what you doing there, Steve?
Well, we got our return on here.
Oh, in a close-up shot.
And we're gonna slap her in there. I guess I'll put the bottom bolt in first. It's probably easiest.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, big old rad hose is right in the way. I see nothing.
All right, there she is, all hooked up, bolted on. She's gonna fire right up, I'm sure. Let's give her a shot.
Well,
Okay, might take a bit. Get fuel over here. Let's see.
get some of the air bubbles out of there. Oh, oh, dude, don't be driving away, eh?
Still on the lip.
I know, but that's still hooked up.
Oh, we need
All right.
it.
I know. Just saying. Oh. That's still working. What?
Stinks.
Yeah, that was weird. Like, why are we so stuck there?
Well, it's icy.
Yeah.
Oh, you left the stick in here.
Well, yeah. Was that not good?
It's all the way open.
I just threw it
Way
on
happier
there.
without that.
It's happier without that.
Yeah.
Very peculiar smell. Oh. Uh-oh. Open now. Battery's dying. I think we're done. Oh no. Well, you spun it around a bit.
Yeah, clearly there's still some weird issue. This thing will stall and not want to restart. It's probably just this crappy old carburetor. It runs good enough, but I think it's worthy of a new Weber or something on there, you know, to really make it run nice. So, I don't know.
There you go.
Hopefully that keeps you guys happy for another month or two. Good to have you here making videos again, Dad. Hopefully that smears.
Not too cold.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful day for this.
Not bad.
So we'll carry on. We'll try and get you some more content over the winter. There is a Ford LTD with a 400 in it that we were working on. We needed an ignition box because someone robbed it, and I've been too cheap to spend that kind of money on it. But eventually we're gonna get that going and finish that video for you guys, maybe in the spring. So till next time, love you guys. Peace.